If you run a business with multiple employees and locations, you likely spend a lot of time figuring out which supplies need to be reordered and when. It would be nice to delegate the ordering process to other people on the team, but sharing a login to an e-commerce site is effectively the same as giving people access to your company credit card. KR Stock lets you delegate the task of building an order in a way that's fast, easy, and secure. To get started, open the app and navigate to the Manage Team screen. Select Invite User and make sure to set the new person up as an editor. This will let the new user add supplies to the shopping cart, but will not give them access to place an order. That's something that only managers can do. As soon as they're invited, your new team member will get an email with a link to download KR Stock for Android or iOS, and will be able to start preparing orders right away. Once they're ready to place an order, they can navigate to the shopping cart, choose their location, and press the Request Purchase button. A window will pop up allowing them to choose which manager they would like to send the request to. After pressing Send, the manager will get a push notification and an email letting them know about the request, and they'll be able to jump right to the app and complete the order. Enabling your whole team to work together to make sure you always have the supplies you need is one more way KR Stock helps your business run more smoothly.